My mom always would tell me this one saying in Chinese growing up. Gold will always be discovered. But we're here, and I'm in Sephora, and I'm playing Head in the Clouds. And today, I'm gonna show you around my lovely abode. And I usually spend my Saturdays by my lonesome walking around and testing products. So I think that we should talk about things that make Tiffany Day, Tiffany Day. So why don't we walk and chat? It's interesting, I grew up in a very predominantly white kind of community in Kansas, and it was a little hard for me, especially as an Asian American, someone that didn't really look like all the people around me. I struggled a lot with my confidence as a young girl. I remember being 15 and very insecure about the shape of my eyes and all that stuff. As I grew up, I found, honestly, a lot of solace playing around with makeup. Beauty routine, non-negotiables. I'm so religious about sunscreen because by the time I'm 35, I'm gonna look like a baby. Some of my favorite sunscreens are honestly the Korean brands. I know Sephora's got a couple of them. This one, the Beauty of Joseon, is really great. I do my own performance makeup and hair. So for the festival, I like to have a really dark eye makeup look, editorial, closer in front of the camera, it's easier to see the look, but then when you're super far away, you can't really see my eyeshadow. When I dyed my hair, I didn't do it because I needed to have a distinct look. I did it because I went through a really bad breakup. But I love my blonde hair, I ended up keeping it, and so I think hair is a very important part of my look. This bad boy, oh. I usually wash my hair the night before a show, so it's nice and fresh. My best friend, Miss Dyson, she helps me get that kind of effortless wave. This festival is going to be a lot bigger and more full production than it ever has before. Ooh, maybe a little stick. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Today, we're at the beautiful Rose Bowl Stadium, and I'm getting ready for Head in the Clouds. Blotting oil on my face because I'm nervous and excited, and that makes me sweaty. The biggest difference in when I do my makeup for shows versus probably just every day is I really want it to be durable. So I do things a little bit darker, a little bit heavier, and then on top of that, I spray the bleep out of this on my face, and it keeps everything in place. I don't actually do this much. That was for the bit. That was for the bit, but I do a lot. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? It's the sound of the crowd. They want me. They want me real bad. I'm coming, guys. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I didn't think I was gonna be this nervous, but I'm a little nervous. Is it 410? Is it 410 now? Is it 410? One of the most important things for me pre-show, when things feel too much pressure, and then you think about it and it's well, I once chose to, make music and sing for fun, and so that's really all that should matter. When these young kids who are maybe not even Asian, maybe just not a part of the majority, and they just feel different in some sort of way, can look up and see somebody stands out a little bit and is a little different. That's all I ever really wanted. If I slip up or mess up or forget the words, as long as I'm having fun, it's all worth it.